Guys, we are ploughing in we are August 15th of August 2020, and we are ploughing the cereal field, and we are going to seed the grass again after this. So today they brought some slurry. Now we are ploughing it. Okay, let's take a look. 95 horsepower, 3-furrow plough. Guys, that's the last furrow now for tonight, and then this field is finished. It's was 8,000 meters more or less, small acre, and almost 3 hours. But see, I do this as a hobby. It's not, I'm not a professional farmer. So now we go to the last furrow. I will leave a little bit open so I can use the phrase, the one that turns there, to close the last furrow. And this will be grass, and I will keep it up on grass so that it's we don't have a gap between the two fields. We will try to do that. Okay, let's go to the last furrow. I hope I will reach that post there at the end. Lots of mosquitoes. I better not open a window right now. Okay, almost there. So far is the post. Yes, I think Okay guys, that was that. I will not go outside now to look at my work. I will do that tomorrow.